Hi contractors, are you thinking of expanding in Oregon? Getting licensed is the first step. I'm Roselle with Contractors Liability, and today I'll share all the important steps you need, from securing insurance to bonding, to help keep your business protected. Let's start with the basics. In Oregon, you need a license from the Oregon Construction Contractors Board, CCB, to work legally. This includes residential and commercial projects, and the process involves several steps. First, you need to meet all the eligibility criteria. You need to be at least 18 years old, set up a business structure like an LLC or corporation, complete a 16-hour pre-license training course, pass the CCB licensing exam, and secure both general liability insurance and a surety bond. One thing to note, some cities and counties like Portland, Eugene, or Salem have additional requirements such as zoning laws and special permits. Be sure to check with your local jurisdiction to avoid delays and fines. Now here's the step-by-step process to get licensed. Number one, just determine your license type and endorsement. Decide if you need a residential, commercial, or dual endorsement based on the type of work you plan to do. Number two, complete the pre-licensing training and pass the exam. The CCB exam costs $60 paid directly to the exam provider. Number three, submit your application. After passing, submit your application to the CCB with a $325 fee, include proof of insurance and surety bonding. And number four, secure insurance and bonds. Residential contractors need $25,000 bonds, while commercial contractors may need up to $80,000 bonds. Insurance requirements differ from category. You'll need at least $500,000 in coverage for residential and $1 to $2 million for commercial projects. Insurance is crucial for protecting your business from unexpected incidents like property damage or injury to third parties. Here's an example of the insurance certificate you will need. This document shows your clients that you are covered, which is essential for building trust and securing larger projects. Now, if you're in a specialized trade like electrical, plumbing, or HVAC, you'll need an additional license through the Oregon Building Codes Division. This involves separate exams and continual education to maintain your license. Remember, your contractor's license in Oregon needs to be renewed every 2 years, along with maintaining your insurance and bond coverage. Are you ready to get licensed and protect your business? Click the link in the description to get a free insurance quote today. For more detailed information on the licensing process, be sure to read the full blog, linked below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and leave any questions you may have in the comments. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your projects in Oregon.